Hi, this is Alberto, founder of Cryo Studio Sarasota, and I'm here to talk to you a little bit more about cellulite, okay? How can we treat it at our studio? We have Cryo Cellulite, we have Icon, we have TEC, we have Presso, we have different devices to attack such a complex problem that a lot of people are experiencing, okay? So about 80% of women experience some sort of cellulite. So here we combine different treatments to help you with that, okay? So how does that work? Cellulite is very complex. You have a membrane that is connecting the skin and the fat and the muscle, okay? And that membrane holds everything in place. With age, with changing hormones, and also hereditary issues, that membrane starts to break through, and then the fat starts pushing upward. That's when you see all that cellulite, okay? There's 3 levels of cellulite. We have edematous, fibrous, and sclerotic cellulite, okay? Now, that's not the only issue. The membrane or connective tissue is not the only issue with cellulite. We also have muscle atrophy. So when the person doesn't do enough squats or walk enough or jog, you have muscle atrophy. So we also want to be able to work on that muscle. We usually use our TEC treatment, which does 30,000 contractions in about 30 minutes. In addition to muscle atrophy, you have either circulation or lymphatic drainage issues, okay? If you're retaining too much water, that can also not be good for your cellulite, okay? So we can do that with pressotherapy and with Icon so that you can get rid of those excess fluids, alrighty? And the last thing is with our Icon treatment, we're gonna work on repairing the membrane or the connective tissue that holds that skin and that fat together, okay? So it's a very important treatment so that we can repair that wall, we work on the muscle, we work on the tissue stimulation. And lastly, if in the cellulite, if it's sclerotic cellulite or level 3, and we can grip and it's thick cellulite, we want to do also some cryocellulite treatments. Some of them are going to be for fat reduction, where we are crystallizing the fat cell and destroying it, and some other cryocellulite treatments where we're alternating warm and cold cycles to create vasoconstriction and vasodilation just to help the evenness on the skin. So you can only find these protocols at Cryo Studio Sarasota. Come and see us and we'll be happy to help you. Thank you.